Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA MG3650. I want to show you how to copy document. Open the glass scanner and put the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left corner. You will see arrow on the top left corner of the printer. And also make sure you load the paper you want to use. The paper we have here is A4, and also you need to select the paper from this button. Select correct paper. So A4, and the document we want to copy is A4. To copy the document in color, select this button once. To copy the document black and white, select this button once. So we're going to copy in color once. This is the document we copied in color. If you want to copy it black and white or double-sided, put the paper you already printed out, reload it on the bottom casket with the area copied facing up. Then select copy black once. So this is the document. So we copied black and white on the back. We copied black and white on the back. Copied color. If you want to copy more than one, you need to tap on the button 1, 2 to the number of copies you want to copy. If you want to copy 2, you need to tap on this button twice. If you want to copy 5, tap on the button color 5 times. Thank you very much indeed.